Intelligent design message theory. Summary. In theistic intelligent design, God has two purposes: A. To use intelligent design to design the core features of the universe to enable complex life to exist, and B. To use intelligent design to create the higher taxa, kingdom, phylum, class, order, in the biosphere, and to permit microevolutionary processes to fill out each bush of life at the level of taxonomic family and below. In intelligent design message theory, God does these in such a way as to provide evidence for intelligent design in the universe and the biosphere, and to provide evidence against pure naturalism, random chance and natural law. This is so that any rational thinking person can see that there is evidence for intelligent design in the universe and in the biosphere, and that there is evidence against the atheist claim of naturalistic origins of the universe and the biosphere by random chance and natural law. Introduction. In theistic intelligent design, TID, God, as an intelligent designer, has a purposeful plan that unfolds through two primary avenues. First, God designs the foundational aspects of the universe to support complex life. Second, God actively creates the higher taxonomic categories within the biosphere, allowing microevolutionary processes to shape diversity at finer levels within these created kinds. Through intelligent design message theory, IDMT, God's design serves to leave detectable evidence of this intentional design, challenging the atheist view that random chance and natural laws alone could account for the complexity and order we observe in the universe and biosphere. Let's explore these ideas further. 1. Intelligent design of the universe for life. In theistic intelligent design, the first purpose of God's design is to construct a universe with characteristics that make it uniquely suitable for life. This principle is often observed through what scientists call fine-tuning, where physical constants and parameters are precisely set to values that allow for the development and sustenance of life. These values appear arbitrary yet fall within narrow ranges that make complex, carbon-based life possible. Here, God's purpose in setting up the universe with this fine-tuning is not only to enable life but also to provide an avenue through which humans, using reason and observation, can recognize the universe's seemingly deliberate construction. For example, the cosmological constant, a value in physics that determines the energy density of empty space, is precisely adjusted to permit the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. Even the slightest deviation in this constant would render the universe lifeless, expanding too quickly or collapsing too soon. Similarly, the strong nuclear force, which binds atomic nuclei, is finely tuned. A small increase would prevent the formation of hydrogen, a fundamental element in organic chemistry, while a slight decrease would result in a universe with only hydrogen, unable to form the complex elements necessary for life. The argument here is that these finely adjusted parameters provide evidence for intelligent design. If they were set by random chance alone, the odds of each parameter falling into life-permitting ranges are astronomically low. Thus, the fine-tuning of the universe acts as a message from the designer, showing rational humans that this is no accident. 2. Intelligent design in the biosphere, creating higher taxa. The second purpose of theistic intelligent design is to actively create the higher taxonomic categories, such as kingdom, phylum, class, and order, within the biosphere. These categories represent distinct kinds or types of life forms that demonstrate foundational biological innovations. In TID, God creates these groups with unique structural and functional features, allowing them to populate the Earth and adapt to various environments through microevolutionary processes. Thus, intelligent design is responsible for the origins of higher taxa, while microevolutionary changes fill out the diversity within these kinds at lower taxonomic levels, such as species and genera. For instance, consider the Cambrian explosion, a period roughly 540 million years ago when many major animal phyla appeared in the fossil record over a relatively short geological period. This event, which scientists often describe as life's Big Bang, brought forth a sudden and diverse range of complex life forms, each with unique body plans. No transitional fossils leading to these body plans have been discovered, suggesting that these forms did not gradually evolve but appeared fully formed and distinct. TID interprets this as evidence that God created the higher taxa, providing foundational categories like phylum and class, which then diversified within these limits through microevolution. Similarly, within a created phylum, such as the chordates, which includes all vertebrates, variations in species arise through microevolutionary processes. Natural selection and mutation lead to diverse species adapted to specific environments. However, these variations remain within the limits set by the original design of the higher taxon, suggesting that God's original act of creation allowed for adaptability within certain boundaries. 3. Intelligent design message theory. Evidence for intelligent design and against naturalism. In intelligent design message theory, IDMT, God's design choices leave clear evidence of intentionality in the universe and biosphere that challenges pure naturalism, the view that life and the universe are solely products of random chance and natural laws. This theory holds that God designed the universe and life forms in a way that rational observers can recognize as intentional rather than accidental. The complexity, specificity, and functionality of these designs form the evidence base for intelligent design, as they exceed the explanatory power of randomness and undirected natural processes. An example in biology is the genetic code, a complex system that translates DNA sequences into functional proteins. The specificity and efficiency of this code resemble an intelligently designed language, complete with syntax, semantics, and error correction mechanisms. According to IDMT, the very existence of such a language provides evidence for an intelligent designer. If left to random processes, the emergence of such a structured code would be extraordinarily improbable, far exceeding what random mutation and natural selection could feasibly produce. Moreover, IDMT posits that this evidence against naturalism becomes apparent when one examines cases of irreducible complexity, where biological systems, e.g., the bacterial flagellum or the blood clotting cascade, require multiple interdependent parts to function. Such systems could not have evolved gradually, as each part is essential for the system's operation. Their existence implies that these features were intentionally designed, furthering the case for intelligent design. 4. Rational inference to intelligent design. God's dual-purpose design, fine-tuning the universe for life and creating higher taxa, leaves patterns, complexity, and functional specificity in the natural world that serve as evidence for design. When rational individuals observe these phenomena, they encounter clear signals that point to an intelligent cause behind life and the universe, as opposed to a random, purposeless origin. This insight challenges the atheist view, which holds that naturalistic origins can fully account for existence without any intelligent causation. In conclusion, theistic intelligent design offers a coherent model in which God's intentional design of the universe and life not only serves functional purposes but also communicates a clear message of intelligent causation. Intelligent design message theory complements this by showing how God's choices reveal evidence for design, challenging the sufficiency of pure naturalism and allowing rational observers to recognize purpose and intelligence in the cosmos and life. Through this framework, TID enables a rational exploration of origins, bridging science and theology with evidence that supports the existence of an intelligent designer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment directly below the video. I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.